Realme recently introduced their new budget smartphones, Realme 11 5G and Realme 11X 5G at an event, and we got to try them out for some time. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and in this video we share our first look at the newly launched Realme 11 5G and Realme 11X 5G. So let's get started. Realme 11 is available in two color options, Glory Gold and Glory Black, in two storage variants, 128GB and 256GB, with 8GB of RAM as a standard option. The smartphone comes with flat sides. The Realme 11 comes equipped with a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a 120Hz refresh rate. For the cameras, the smartphone uses the primary 108-megapixel camera and a 2-megapixel portrait camera, but no ultra-wide. The smartphone sports a 16-megapixel front camera. It uses MediaTek's Dimensity 6100 Plus SoC. It sports a 5000 mAh battery with 67-watt SuperVOOC charging support and runs Realme UI 4.0, which is based on Android 13. The smartphone starts at Rs 18,999 for the base 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage variant. Realme 11X 5G is the cheaper model that comes in two color options, Midnight Black and Purple Dawn, with either 6GB of RAM or 8GB of RAM with 128GB as the standard storage option. The smartphone sports a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate that also houses the 8-megapixel front camera. Realme 11X sports a dual rear camera setup including the primary 64-megapixel camera and a 2-megapixel portrait camera. It uses MediaTek's Dimensity 6100 Plus SoC, sports a 5000 mAh battery, and can charge using the provided 33-watt SuperVOOC charger. It runs Realme UI 4.0, which is based on Android 13. The smartphone starts at Rs 14,999 for the base 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage variant. Do let us know what you think about the new Realme smartphones in the comments. If you like this video, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgets 360 for all things tech. See you guys in the next one.